If you're building solo, you already know speed can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, you can move fast without needing anyone's permission. On the other, it's all on you. Every task, every bug, every design decision. There's no team to delegate to, no safety net, just you. So the question becomes, how do you actually ship faster without cutting corners or burning yourself out? That's what this video is about. I want to share what's helped me build and release projects quicker without the chaos. Whether you're just starting your solo dev journey or knee-deep in a side project, I think these strategies will make a real difference. One of the biggest reasons solo developers get stuck isn't technical skill, it's mental overload. We try to make every feature perfect, obsess over every little detail, and before we know it, the project drags on for weeks or just dies altogether. We fall into what I call decision quicksand. Should I use this stack or that one? Should I build this page first or test that feature? All those small decisions add up and drain your energy. So if you're wondering why you're not moving fast, it's probably not your code. It's your lack of clarity and momentum and straight-up decision-making. This is a hard lesson, but an important one. Your first version is supposed to be rough. My Chrome extension fast folders started as a super bare bones MVP. It was clunky, minimal, but it did one job and that was enough to validate it. Since then, I've improved it step by step based on real user feedback. Now it's more polished, more useful, and it's even started earning money. That only happened because I shipped early and listened to users. Perfectionism feels good in the moment, but it kills momentum. If you want to move fast, give yourself permission to launch before it's done, but make sure it functions correctly. One of the biggest time sinks when you're working solo is design. You're building a great product, but the UI slows you down, or worse, kills your confidence. That's where the sponsor of this video comes in, Mobbin. Mobbin is the world's largest mobile and web design reference library. It's like a giant inspiration library filled with real UI screenshots from top apps like Stripe, Notion, and Duolingo. It's great to have somewhere you can have all your design ideas stored. If you are stuck designing a login page or dashboard, search Mobbin and instantly get layout ideas and real-world design patterns. It doesn't just save time, it actually makes your projects feel more polished and modern. If you're building solo and want to move faster on the design side, check out the link in the description. Mobbin is honestly one of my secret weapons. Another game changer for speed, build your own toolkit. If you write a great piece of reusable code, a clean form component, a modal, a toast system, save it. I've got a small folder of UI components and boilerplate that I reuse for every project now. It's like my own little starter kit and it saves me hours every time I spin up something new. You don't need to start from scratch with every project. Reuse what works, refine as you go, and slowly build a system that lets you launch in days, not weeks. Finally, let's talk mindset. The best work I do happens when I hit flow state, when I'm locked in, everything clicks and I'm just building. To make that happen consistently, I've built a simple ritual, same workspace, same playlist, phone on silent, one clear task. I don't try to multitask, I don't wait for motivation, I just show up. Also, I celebrate small wins. Finish one feature, push it. See a user try it out, that's fuel. Momentum builds when you stay in motion, and that's how you keep shipping. Being a solo dev doesn't mean you have to be slow. With the right mindset, some smart tools like Mobbin and a system that works for you, you can build and ship faster than you think. Having said that, do remember that building and shipping quick does not mean that you should lack quality. The product might not look the part at the start, but it should function correctly. We do make mistakes time to time, but we also learn from these mistakes and grow. If this helped you, drop a like or a comment and let me know what you're working on. Remember to have fun with whatever you're building, and I'll see you in the next one.